Now today, if you were outside, you might have been saying, man, it feels a little hot for January, right? Well, if you did say that, you are correct, my friends. This is day 2 that we're making record temperatures, at least for St. Petersburg. Yesterday, we managed to make a record high of 85. Today in St. Pete, it was 83. That beats the old record of 81 set back in 1937. And they weren't alone here. Brooksville and Ruskin also managed to make records for today. Those two are ties, 84 and 85 degrees set back in the same year for the states in 2013 for those locations. And by the way, this was tonight's sunset. I clipped that picture from our Ascent camera. Just absolutely beautiful, those fiery colors in the skies. So yeah, we're still in that warm sector. We're waiting for a front to cross on by. You can see how temperatures really change as you go up to the northwest. We're getting a little bit of rain for tomorrow, and then the cold air will follow through. You can see there's plenty of it to work with. It seems like we're really the only ones here in the southeast that are enjoying the warmer than average temperatures, but that's not lasting for long. Things will be changing in the next 24 hours. Here's your visibility. Talking about that fog. Fog has been an issue all week long, right? But for tomorrow, first of all, it's early in the morning, so not as many people out on the roadways. Second of all, the winds will be picking up speed. So this fog may mix out a little bit faster than what we saw earlier in the week. But nonetheless, we still will have that visibility reduced just a touch between the hours of about 5 a.m. to 8 a.m. I would just bring awareness to this. If you are heading out around 9 o'clock even, some of that fog, especially closer to the coast and due to that sea fog, will be a little bit dense in spots. So just be careful driving, especially in our northernmost coastal locations. As we check out satellite and radar, there's our front. It's a nice defined line. A lot of this will be falling apart, but we will get some moisture out of it, producing a couple scattered showers. You can see that here on Futurecast. This is tomorrow at 11:30. That's when that front starts to drop into our area. Hernando County, Pasco County, Citrus County will be the ones to see most of the rain, but some of that will splash our way over in Pinellas and Hillsborough County, Polk County, getting a few of those residual showers as well. Unfortunately, areas south of I-4, you may have a couple raindrops, maybe a stray shower, but most of the rain looks like it will be for northernmost locations because, again, that front basically dries out on its journey across the states. As we check out temperatures for tomorrow, we're starting off mild once again in the mid-60s, stepping up into the low 70s by 11 a.m. That's when we will have those showers across the region. And notice winds turn breezier from the northwest right around lunchtime. So those winds will be breezy for the second half of the day. Now, moving into this upcoming week, we have more promising rain chances for Wednesday and Thursday. This is a system that's moving in from the south. So those areas that are missing out on the rain for tomorrow, you may have a better opportunity come later on this week. Now talking the cold. For tomorrow, we have a dip in the temperatures, a little dip in the jet stream that will allow temperatures to actually return to normal. It will be on the chillier side for Monday. Monday afternoon will be fine, but Monday morning you'll feel the difference. And then look at this, Thursday into Friday, that's when you'll really feel the cold. We have a second snap of cold air that will be on the way. So sum it up here in the 7-day forecast. Breezy for tomorrow, transition day, fog in the morning, afternoon showers, turning breezy, and then temperatures drop. Monday, much chillier, but we go back to those normal high temperatures for the afternoon. Wednesday, Thursday, another round of better rain. And then Friday, much colder, 43 for that morning low. That means northern locations will be even colder than that.